So I have the key fob to a 2026 Lexus GX 550, and I'm going to show you how to swap out the battery in this thing should your battery die. So first off, grab your key fob, turn it on the side opposite where you have your buttons on top, turn it on the side and you'll see along kind of the book face right here, you have this push. So you're going to push on the left side of this, and then what that's going to do is release the manual key inside. So you can see at the tip of the manual key, it's kind of got like a bezeled edge. And what you're going to do is use that key as a key and place it in the center right here of the, right near where it came out of. So it came out like this, but you're going to put it like this and twist up or down your preference. What you're basically doing is popping this face off of the key. So twist up or down. So there, it kind of released. You can put your manual key to the side for a second. Now take this, you can put the bottom to the side for a moment, flip this on its back, and that will reveal your key. So this is a Maxwell CR2032 battery. I will put a link in the description for the cheapest place to get the battery, which is, of course, Amazon, or you can use one of the YouTube links that are probably popping up right now. To get the battery out, this bottom side right here, you can put the key, the bezeled edge in right here. You can put a little screwdriver. If your nails are long enough, just do it from this point right here, and you can kind of flick it out. When you put the new key in, try not to touch the other side opposite the writing, because the oils on your fingers will break down the battery, and you'll have to do this a lot faster than you generally would in the life cycle of the battery. So pretend you put the battery back in, it just easily goes in. Grab that piece you put to the side. You're going to snap everything back together. I always joke, try not to push the red button because it'll freak out you or your neighbors. Everything you'll hear audible clicks, and don't forget your manual key will also be a manual click to put it back in. And then you are good to go. There is no need to code the battery or the key fob back to your car or anything like that. If you have a dealer telling you that and they want to charge you a half hour or an hour's worth of rate for work, I'd recommend finding a new dealer, because they're just trying to scam you out of a half hour or an hour out of work. This takes no time. You do not need to code it to your car. Some dealers will do this for free as just a perk to keep you as a customer, but I just find it a lot easier to just get a bunch of batteries and swap them in if I need them. If you can please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you've not already. Every little bit helps, and I appreciate it all. Thanks for watching.